Wagwan viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now, people. So breaking news coming out of Jamaica, people. We're saying an 8-year-old boy was shot at a Clarendon football field. Yes, you heard that correctly, people. It goes on to say an early morning football game ended in tragedy in Howells Content near Yorktown, Clarendon this morning, when gunmen opened fire on a group of youngsters, killing an 8-year-old boy. It is reported that 2 other youngsters were shot and injured. They are now being treated at a hospital. Alleged eyewitnesses say 3 men alighted from a vehicle and began firing into the crowd. The Jamaica Gleaner understands that the child, who was in the area to visit his mother, often waited for the end of the football game to ride his bicycle on the field. Yo, people, this is a very sad situation coming out of Jamaica this morning, people. Like, 8-year-old boy, you know, people, early morning football game, and these criminals take up this span them hand, take up gun violence if you go out there and just kill innocent people. It's a very sad situation, people, and it just not too long ago happened. So once I get more information on this, I will give you guys an update on what going on. All right, people, bless up, much love from YaadAndAbroadTV, people.